Morning, no, good afternoon, good evening, my fellow brothers and sisters we dey out there. Na your girl, na your sister, na him still dey here today o. Today, I no really get more. Before I go start my talk, if today na your first time of watching my YouTube, my video, please subscribe. Thumbs up for your sister, thumbs up for your girl. Make na subscribe o, make na subscribe my channel o. E get some matter wey dey now wey I watch. E get one video wey I watch about one brother wey come outside say dem collect im two children with im son and im daughter, say im wife dey prison for Germany. Why some people be like that? They go just sit down dey talk say Germany do that, Germany do this, Germany do this, Germany do that one. I just tire. Different rumour, different say Germany country, Germany government dey collect my pikin. Germany brother, my sister, make na talk true. Mo hear, make na come outside, make na talk the truth. No be say na go come dey lie say Germany just collect your pikin, Germany just collect your wife, dey put your wife for prison. When some people dey like that, they dey lie. I watch the video, I come dey where I dey, I come dey vex say wetin really dey happen? Say why some Nigeria people just be like this? The thing dey vex me. My brother, my sister, before Germany go do now, before they go collect your pikin, you go get one or two things or three things wey you don do before they go come look say really this woman, no, this children follow this woman step, you no go fit take care of these children well. You go turn to another thing before they go take step to collect your child. And before they go collect your child, they will don dey notice you. You sef go know say they don dey notice you. This one no be say they tell me, na wetin before, na wetin I don see. Person beside me, wetin don really happen to am. No be say this one na rumour, say I dey carry rumour or no, I no be that kind blogger wey dey carry rumour. I no dey carry person rumour. Na wetin dey really dey happen. Wetin I really see for the matter be say, either may be say husband and wife as una dey house, wey say husband no dey go work, wey never get wetin e dey do. You wey be woman, wey you suppose make your head calm down, wey suppose know say here wey we dey, e no be our country. Everybody here no be our mother's land. Wey you suppose calm down, reason with our husband together, put head together. No be say your own head go dey one side, your husband head too go dey one side. Which line I come dey give children? Before you know, this Germany money go come cause problem. My sister, see your wife, my brother, wey you dey talk say your wife dey for prison, dey carry your wife go prison, you go talk wetin really happen. The thing wetin me I see for that, my make na no vex o, make na no vex, make na manage my talk like that. As I dey talk dey go, wetin I really see for the matter be say, maybe wey dey shout say make Nigeria government or he need lawyer, make person help am, he need to carry lawyer, he want make dem help am. Anybody wey fit help am with lawyer, he need Germany. No be all of them dey work together. All of them na dem be the same thing. You dey hear me? All of them dey be the same thing. No be say I wan carry lawyer, I wan do this one. All of them dey the same thing. Really, wetin really fit happen? Maybe you and your wife dey fight. As una dey fight, una no know say child dey there. Maybe your wife fling child or something happen. Germany lawyer, make una no dey use Germany dey lie. Make una no dey. If na I go play the video for una, make una watch the video before I come back to my talk. Make I play the video for una, make una watch am. Make una watch small out of this video.
I have a two baby. This is the second one, Lara. Let me show you the picture where the second one, Lara. This is the other one, which is the first one, Jennifer. And this is their mother, Effie. The German government, they collect the two baby from us, and the mother wey they put am for prison. Not to speak English, my brother. The thing they pay me for mine. They put am for prison today, so which is this is mama, so a newborn never even reach 1 month. wetin born so inside this corona period. German government, they say they see something for this new one but wey dem new born, which is say leg break. We ask them, how come baby wey dem new born never even reach 1 month, how him leg go take break? How him leg want to break? They say him leg break, they say injury. They come carry the first one join am, they say the first one e be like they see some old injury, see they want to carry this one. They collected the 2 baby and him mama, they give am prison. E dey prison now as we dey talk, which is abeg, anybody wey know say go fit help, anybody wey know say he know any lawyer wey fit help, or any organization wey dey Germany wey fit help, if the government of fit still help us, abeg, see me for here.
Now don't see the video so. Now don't see say the man no dey talk truth. He no dey talk truth. He never talk wetin really happen. He say the pikin, they say German people see something for the pikin, say the pikin leg break. If German, if they no confirm say your baby leg break, they no go lie say your baby leg break. Before pikin leg go break for this German, or your bone break or your bone shift, they go don go check am for history. They have all the instruments. They have all the instruments. Some people go just say make they help them, make they help them. Say they need help. Now go they cry, come outside, make they help now. But if now they cry, come outside, make they help now. Now no go talk the main truth, the main thing wey really happen. Now just tell us the shortcut. Some people now they will come carry and say, German they carry children, they collect pikin for person, and they collect pikin, they come they carry and say they collect pikin, they collect now, so they collect one brother. Now no go know the main cocoa thing where the person do. Abeg, make una no come for me o. Na my own me I just talk o. Cause some people now they go start dey come. They say this woman, e just dey talk wetin you no know. E just dey do this, just dey do that, dey do that. My brothers and sisters, me I dey talk my own. Before, if na like, make na say na true or na lie, kinikan. That one no be my own. Na wetin me I know, wey I don see for person wey don happen for here, wey don happen beside me. Wey they go dey lie say German collect your pikin. If you dey take care of your pikin well, German no go collect your pikin. If your pikin dey take care, you dey take care of am well, they see you say you dey take care of your pikin well, they show care. You and your husband no dey fight. Some women, I no just know. Some women, I no talk. No be all women bad. There are some particular women wey say they bad well. You go even see the person for outside, go say, shey na this woman behave like that. This our mind or our heart. If say we dey see am, we go know the kind different thing wey dey each other mind. I just talk my own, no. I just talk my own. I no dey for Bami Sophie. Na my own, I just talk so. If na like me na hear, if na like me na no hear, na advice wey I get, wey I fit advise my sister, na here I dey advice come outside so. Me na no dey fight. Nothing dey for this world wey dey fight. Nothing dey for say you wan separate, you wan leave your husband. If you leave your husband, you go another man. You leave that one, you go another man. Some people say the kind this thing wey they can't do now for this place, they come say they no wan marry again. They no wan dey under husband. They wan just be single mother. But single mother wey dey fuck. You know they under man, but they fuck another man prick. That one good. That one na life. Tomorrow night, if your child don't come start the leg wey you put for am, you can't start am, you come dey say, you wish advice you wan give am. They will come dey lie one kind lie. Say when me dey young, me I no dey do this thing, I no dey do that, I no dey do this. I beg, that one na lie, my sister. Me na shut up na mouth for there. Na shut up na mouth. Me na behave well. Me na no dey let them they insult we women. We strong mothers wey dey out there. Me na no dey let all those people they insult us. Different things. Some women say go just this. I bet that all those one na for another topic. Na another next time. Now all those topic. All those I no fit they just they bring all those topic. That one na next time. Me na still they subscribe to my channel. I promise una every 2 2 weeks or every 1 week I go dey bring out news for una, bring out talk. I no fit dey do live video or dey do video every day cause I get children, I get kids to take care of. That's all I have for today. Choose na bye bye o. Na wetin I get wey I fit talk na im I talk so.